Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm a registered dietitian. Today we're going to make a grilled cheese sandwich. We're going to talk about how to make your grilled cheese a little healthier. What we're starting with is whole grain bread, which is very important because other breads that do not include whole grains will not be as high in B vitamins, and they don't include minerals such as zinc and magnesium. And these are very important for growth and for bone development. Zinc is particularly important because our bodies don't store it, so we do need a daily intake of zinc to allow our bodies to grow, especially for your children. We're using a low-fat margarine or butter spread. A lot of times the varieties made with olive oil will be lower in fat, and it will include healthier fats such as poly and unsaturated fats. We're also using a low-fat cheese. 2% cheese is great. Fat-free works as well if you do prefer that taste.